UP government is planning to generate over 50 lakh jobs for youth in both public and private sectors by March next year. Through the Mission Rozgar campaign, over 50 lakh youth will get a chance to apply for jobs in government departments as well as the private sector by March 2021, an official spokesperson said. The project will be launched after Diwali. With the help of the government efforts, many new opportunities for the private sector will also be created. Finalizing the action plan of Mission Rozgar, UP Chief Secretary Rajendra Kumar Tiwari said, under Mission Rozgar, a program will be organized to create more employment and self-employment jobs in the various departments, organizations, voluntary organizations, corporations, councils, boards and various local bodies of the state government. An employee help desk will be created in every department and organization. It will inform the youth of availing the benefit of employment programs related to the respective departments. The Chief Secretary said that a database of employment will be prepared in the state. In this regard, an app and a web portal is also being developed by the Directorate of Training and Employment. Data related to employment will be updated every fortnight on the portal. Under the administrative departments, all the directorates, corporations, boards, commissions, etc. will nominate a nodal officer to keep everything on track. The entire Mission Rozgar campaign will be conducted through Infrastructure and Industrial Development Commissioner (IIDC) and a high-level committee headed by the Chief Secretary will monitor the campaign monthly. In every district, there will be a committee under the chairmanship of the district magistrate who will prepare an action plan at the district level for jobs and careers. The Directorate of Training and Employment in collaboration with private industries will also organize employment fairs and will address all the pending recruitment cases. Powered by Arthros Clinic, a dedicated center for arthroscopy and sports injuries.